welcome back to Show Me Trucks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prep aluminum so that you can paint on it. I'll show you how I scuffed it up and what chemicals I use to get it extra clean. That way the primer will stick. Aluminum's a little more sensitive, so you got to do a lot more prep work to it. Also, if you hang on in the video, I'll show you how to make this easel out of some free wood I had laying around. And if you stick to the very end, I will show you a little sneak peek of what I'm going to paint on here with acrylic paint for my camper shell, so that I can have a sweet hippie mural in the back. So thanks for watching. Here we go. So next up, I'm going to use this masking tape and to mask up all the lines on all the inside. That way I can spray some primer on it. I'm gonna let that dry for a couple days actually, just to make sure. I'm using acrylic, so I'm a little afraid of it not adhering to the metal, and obviously I don't want to spend all the time to paint this mural and then not have it stick. Here's that sneak peek I promised you guys. This is the inside of the camper shell. So what it's going to be is East Coast, Midwest, West Coast down this side. So I sketched up these drawings just so I could kind of get the spacing and dimensions right. And somewhat some of the colors, but just a general idea of what I want to paint in there. So this side has a log cabin, a real cool Airstream trailer that I really wish I had, and my blue truck Woody towing it, little lake. I didn't draw any of the top. I just roughly drew this all in. Whenever I go to paint it, hopefully it goes smooth. I've been watching a ton of Bob Ross lately to try to get motivated and try to learn some tips, because I'm not really good at painting, but you guys are gonna learn with me. I picked up all this paint the other day and brushes and all sorts of stuff, so hopefully this goes smooth. That's why I prepped all these panels. Hopefully this mural is cool. I hope you guys enjoy. Follow along as I paint. We'll see how this goes for everybody. Later.